Load your family into the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, a power seat, automatic dimming door mirrors, automatic temperature control, front fog lights, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.